Hey, 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 this is the boat doctor. Dang it. Don't tell me I lost my other hat. Son of a gun. I bet I did. Shoot. Getting down on them babies. Nope. Nope. Maybe I didn't have it on. That's what I can hope. Anyway, I set up your little hummingbird up there. That's reading really good. Downriggers, you just got to loosen this right here to drop it. Then you hit this right here to raise it. Just don't raise it too hard because you can snap them up in there. Same way with this one. Loosen it. You got a counter right here. See that drops. Tighten it back up again. And then you just hit the button there and that goes. Okay, then I found out what this switch was for. That's for your bait box. This one right here. That's for this one, I believe. I'll just let it run. You know, that could be, nope, that ain't for that either. Because that was picking up water a second ago. And I think it was this one right here. Must take a while for it to kick up there. Yeah, it's this one here. It was working, so I'll just leave that switch on for a while. And that's a macerator for that. And we'll see what happens. And then this over here, that's your wash down. That works. The tip's gone off of that. I'm going to shut that off. There it goes. See? And then that drains it right out here. So you can cap that off if you want that thing to stay filled. See, like. Look at that. You want to cap that, or you could use that for another garden hose actually if you wanted to. You may have a little contraption in there for that actually. So then we just hit that and both motors ran really good. I'm getting kind of shallow, so we're going to go over here. We're going to fire up the main. Put in gear. I set these up. These were way off, actually. And to get this one on, I believe you have to have this accessory switch. I think this is for them deck lights. And that turns that on. Radio's down here. That works. Trim tabs work. Horn works. Wipers works. We tried all that. And then when I killed this, when I started it up, it must have took the power off of this, is what I'm thinking. So what you have to do is unplug that back there, and then plug it back in again, and hold it. There you go. Somehow, I'm going to hit these off because you don't need them. And then when you get up here, you hit OK. I agree. And I got this one set up. This is warming up. And then we can run like a settings. We don't want that. Go back. Let's go to a combo. Let's do. Oh, where's my combo? I had a nice combo there. Sonar. There you go. We'll run that one. And then this is warming up, the radar, and then I set these up with numbers, and I set you up the compass tapes and the dual range and all that. Ready to transmit, hit that. And then over here, you could have radar overlay on that if you want. So then what I can do is just draw a line here back to where I want to go, which is right here. Right there. Bring out, and I want to fill auto guidance. And it's going to draw me a line right back there, start navigating. And then you go back here, and it'll show it up on your radar too. So now we're going to try this. Gets up 1001, 1002, gets right up on top quick. About 36 miles an hour, 5,800. Then there's some notes I want to put down here. I can find my pen. Okay, number 15. Should have ram mount for bow mount. So it doesn't flop. Okay. And then there was something out, and then the ski pylon. Okay, so we got that. Okay, reverse. We got reverse power, so that works. So then we're going to shut this one off. We're going to go back here. We're going to hit exit. We're going to throw this one in for the time being. We're going to turn this down. Okay, of course, cold, you want to pull that, put this in gear and give it like 7 pumps, bring it back, put it like this, and then when you start it, get ready to push this in and throttle back. So now this is warm, so I'm just going to bring it right to here. Here's your friction. Right here, this little handle. So when you're using this, turn this friction off. Oh, maybe you already did that. Oh, that was on the other one, so he took that handle off. Put it in reverse. Oh yeah? So there you go. So then what you can do, you can actually steer without this. Put in gear. I could just lock this out actually and just steer with that. Here, I'll show you. I'm going to use this anyway. This is for your Panther steer. So I'm going to hook this up. See right there? Now if I left this like this, throttle up, friction. I can sit and steer it. See? Looks pretty slick. Okay, so now I'm going to go back here, loosen that up, get that throttle down, come over here to the master control, hit the center button, it says Troll Master. Now I should be able to steer it with this. There it goes. Keep that motor straight, the main one. Now I want power. Make sure it's in gear. Just see about 40. Now it's going to start picking it up. Now I want to steer. I can just hit these buttons right here. Now say I want to just go to an idle. Boom. Now I hit it again and it resumes it. I want to max throttle. I hit this one. Release it. Idle. Resume. Now when you're using this, and this, like I say, will steer it. There we go. Okay, so when you shut her down, hold this button down, this little turtle button. All the way to 0. Hold this Troll Master button until it goes off. Then you come back here, shut this off, neutral, shut it off, trim it up. Okay, now I already left that one on up there. So on this one, you want to hit the check until it says okay, then you hit that button. And now 2 pushes, this is important. 1, 2. And I already got the trim level set for you. It's going to stop. Then here's what starts the motor. You push this, and then this is your up and down on your speed. This is your steering. Now if I want to navigate, let's go over here. It's got plenty of power. Your batteries are underneath here. Okay, steer it. Now I want to navigate. I can just go like, hit the N button, and it'll say navigate. It'll hold me right there. And see, this is that I made this. You can hit this, and then that auto guidance. You just follow that line all the way back. Stop panning, brings you back. Touch this, go back, and it'll bring you back into your screen. There's your radar. Now, say I want to spot lock this. Turn that end off. Hit the anchor. Watch your speed. We're at 3.13, 296. We're at 0.85. It's trying to find the best location, less resistance to save on battery. And this thing does push the boat real good. And we're at 0.67, 0.77. Right here. 0.52, 0.40. 0. So it's almost found it. 8. 1, 77, 74. See if it drops it down. 70, 67. 6, and it's windy today too. 5, 6. 4, 8. See how it's just holding us right here? We're not going anywhere. 3, 7. Yeah, pretty much staying there. 3, 2. 0.29. It's doing really good. 0. So it's holding this. Okay, that's spot lock. So to get out of that, you just hit this. Then it just, now here's important. To put it back again, 1 push. You double to get it down, you do 1 to get it up. So just push it once. And she brings her down. Okay, then you just hit the check mark and hold it, and it shuts it off. Now this one here is for these under lights right here. I don't know if you can see them way up in there, but if you hit this on button, whoop, there, on. Then we want to go like here and go like this. There they are, they're on. And then what we want to do is brighten them up, maybe put right here. and then those will change colors. You gotta go on, and on. Then go red. See how they're blinking? On, change the colors. Dim them, bright them, right there. And then you hit that button. So they do quite a bit of deal. Pretty cool. Then to turn them off, you just hit this button. So that's what those are for. Alright, time for me to get back. So, you just turn the key, boom boom, low voltage, and I think that's because of the terminals. And I gotta make notes of that too. Corrosion X battery terminals. Okay. We get back on path and follow or zoom in on that. That shows that we're off. That tells you how long it's going to take us to get there, time, distance, so on. So all in all, this is a really good boat, and it comes with a lot of stuff, anchors, you name it. Moorage covers. Okay, I'm out of here. This is the Boat Doctor. Very nice. Very, very nice. And downriggers, like I said, I showed you those. And so, I guess you're going to be steering with this Trollmaster anyway and speeding it. But if you want to do the Troll, if you want to use that, you just disconnect the bar so you can steer with the tiller, which ain't a real big deal. So, like I say in the movies, Yahoo!